Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a floral table centerpiece by using our metal stand and flowers. Okay, first of all, let's fast forward the procedure about how to install the stand. Okay, completed with the installation. If you are interested to watch the step-by-step tutorial, you can click here for the old video. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, the next step, we need to make a floral foam on the top of stand firmly. Okay, very simple. Take it off. Take off the screw and put the plane on it and use another screw. That will be okay. And then about the screw, we have different lengths. The short and this length or much more longer of the screw. So by making, because we need to screw the floral foam, need to insert on the screw, I recommend to use longer, but since I only have this one on hand, so it's not long enough. But if you want to use this idea, using longer will be better. Okay, then in order to make sure the floral foam will be 100% hold on the planks, we need to add the string on it. Okay, add some string on the plank firstly, and then cut a foam as the size you want, and then insert it on the screw. Also, the string, tie the string on the foam. Then tie them together. Tie the string will be okay, so the foam will be hold on the plank very firmly. I will show you the effect. Okay, look, I tie them and cut the rest off will be okay, so the foam will be hold on the plank very firmly. Okay, and then we can insert the flower on the foam. After that, we can install back to the stand. Okay, we will use our short stem to make the flower ball. If you want to make the flower ball larger, you can use longer stem, but I think I use short stem will be okay. Very simple, just put the stem on the flower head and then insert on the flower foam will be okay. Also, our leaf, different leaves. Insert on the flower foam will be okay. So I will show you the effect after I put all the flower and leaf on the foam. Completed with the flower ball. If you watch my channel, you can find some tutorial to show you the detail about how to make the flower ball, so I don't repeat the procedure on this tutorial. I finally changed to use longer stem to make the flower ball larger. Okay, then the following, we need to put the flower ball onto the top of the stand. We can direct group it to the top, but I like to take part of the stand like this. Okay, take part of the stand and direct screw it onto the plane. Because that will be much more convenient for the installation. Firmly, and then put it back to the stand. Okay, completed. Okay, let's use it to make the table decoration. Okay, look, this is the come out after I put it on the table. And then let's go on. Okay, the following, we need to put our candle holder, different candle holder around the bottom of the stand. And then let's put on our small flower ball. If you watch my channel, you can find a lot of tutorial to show you the detail about how to make it. So on this tutorial, let's fast forward this procedure. Okay, so this is how we make the small flower arrangement, like this. Just put it. You can put a lot more than 2 of them to make it much more pretty, but since I only make 2 of the flower arrangement. Okay then, let's hang up some bubble on it. Okay, completed. Look, this is the come out after I put on the bubble and the candle holder. Okay, and then let's put on the LED candle and check the effect. Okay, completed. After putting all the candle, let's check the whole looking. Look, this is the come out. Let's zoom in to check everything in detail. Look, you can put more candle around the stand. Look at this, our flower. For your information, we supply all the material used on our tutorial. Look, if you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my page from below information field. Let's turn off the light to check the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put off the light so it's in darker environment. Look, this is the whole effect. Actually, it will be much more pretty than what you watch from the screen. Let's tune in for the detail. Please do me a favor by do not skip the advertisement when you watch the video, because I want the revenue from YouTube to buy more material and take more video. Okay, turn on the light. Let's check it again. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.